Today, I'm gonna show you the 5 side hustles to make quick cash this year. And to start with the first one, I want to show you a website called promptbase.com. This website is a marketplace for selling and buying prompts. If you don't know what a prompt is, it's basically a specific instruction that helps you achieve a final result. And as you can see here, this is the website. There's a lot of prompts that people sell here. So if we click here on marketplace, you can see you can offer mid-journey prompts, ChatGPT prompts, DALL-E prompts, and stable diffusion. But I want to show you a specific seller here. This seller here has created prompts for food. Just on this one, he already made 1.3k sales. So if we make the quick math here, just with this prompt alone, he has already generated more than $6,000. But now you might be thinking, I don't know anything about prompt engineering. And you don't need to. There is a quick way you can generate prompts for Midjourney. All you have to do is get this idea and make it better, improve it. And for that, you can use a simple method. We are going to go to a website called replicate.com. Once you are on the website, this is what you're going to be seeing. And as you can see, it's really simple. The website will create a prompt for you just by you uploading a picture here. So the places you can get picture, you can go like Paxos. Paxos, it's a free image bank. You can get any image over there. You can print screen or save it, and you come back here and you're gonna post it. By posting the picture here, it's gonna generate a new output for you. So the final prompt. And let's go over to Paxos. Here on Paxos, I have written pizza. So I'm gonna look here for the best image possible. Let me see what we can try to replicate here. Let's say this image here. I'm gonna click it, and like I said, you can save to your computer or you can just print screen. Once you have downloaded, you come back to the replicate website and you're gonna paste the picture or drop the file right here. You can see it's loading. So after it's ready, you can see it already gave me the prompt here, and all you have to do now is copy this prompt, and now you have to head over to Discord because that's where Midjourney is based. So once here, you go to Midjourney. In my case, I have the paid version, but if you don't, you can just go to the normal Midjourney tab. All you have to do here is type /imagine, and now you're gonna paste your prompt. Let's generate it. So now it's finished. As you can see, I got a pretty good result. So it's pretty realistic here. And the key here to get the perfect prompt, you have to keep refining this process. You can even print screen from the images available on the prompt market until you can get a final result. Remember, you have to make this prompt in a way that people can customize it and use for many foods. If you guys want, I can make a full video on this side hustle only and explain the step by step and other tricks to get to the final result. Comment down below what you think, and if you don't want to miss the future videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting 2 videos every week. The second side hustle made a single mom called Jade earn $10,000 every month, working 10 to 12 hours a week, and just by sharing her knowledge. If you are an expert in a particular subject, you are losing money for not monetizing. Just like Jade, there are a lot of people around the world making top dollars tutoring. You don't have to be super qualified to be a tutor or start a tutoring business. You just need to really like teaching and be really good at a subject that you can explain well to students. For example, if you are fluent in English, you could be teaching ESL students. There are a lot of students, just like I was one, that need help with English. But if you know any other languages, you can teach that as well. If you are good at math, science, whatever you're passionate about, there are websites like italki where you can register to become a teacher. Also, you can look for groups on Facebook related to your passion and start offering your services. But if tutoring is not for you, don't worry. Maybe the next side hustle will be your shot. Video editing has never been in such a high demand with the new creative economy. You can start editing videos for YouTube, such as long forms and short forms. This guy here has made more than 15,000 edits as a Fiverr freelancer. His basic price is 24 videos for up to 5 minutes, and also have the standard and premium. If you take an average that he makes 25 per editing, he has already earned more than $300,000. And the best part about this side hustle is that you don't need to go to school or anything to learn it. All you need to do is to be dedicated. You can go to platforms like Udemy and Skillshare to learn. And if you are consistent, in about 3 months you'll be ready to start earning money as a freelancer. Now, if you like animals and you like to be outside feeling the breeze, this will interest you. By doing this side hustle, you can easily earn an extra $500 to $1,000 every month, or even turn into a six-figure business, just like this New Yorker called Ryan did. Many people have a busy lifestyle, especially in big cities. They usually spend more time at their jobs than at home. To take care of their loved dogs, this is where you come in. You can get paid for walking around with their dog for 1 to 2 hours every day. The way you could earn more for each walk is trying to get more than one dog at a time. You can do this by speaking to your neighbors that have pets and let them know about your availability. And also you can register to TaskRabbit to get more clients. It's a flexible gig and you can make your own schedule. You can choose to work as much or as little as you want. For the final side hustle, you can get paid $30 to $50 an hour to do it. This is Brian. He's making over $500,000 a year simply by picking up trash in parking lots. This is a side hustle you can do anywhere in the world as long as you have retail stores around your city. Lots of the stores have big parking areas, but sometimes those places can get really dirty and messy with garbage, and many stores don't have a good plan for cleaning up all that trash. The owners of the property where the stores are located would be happy to pay a good amount of money to keep their place looking nice and clean. The way you can start this is by making a list of the 10 biggest parking lots in your city. Then do some research to find the owners or the managers of the place, reach out to them and pitch your services. You can easily do this before you go to your actual work, since most places will require you to clean before they're open or after they have closed. You can charge them on a weekly basis $250 to $500. Now, if you want to know how to make $100 a day from the comfort of your home, click on this video here and I'll see you there.